With custom tools, you can export your design as items and BOMs to Business Central. If you then remove a component and export again, you will see a ghost item in the export view. This means that the corresponding Business Central BOM has an item that doesn't exist in your design, which is obvious as we just removed a component. I have configured in this export profile that such lines should be deleted from Business Central BOM. And this is a good option when SOLIDWORKS is always supposed to be the master of the BOM. However, if your process involves supplementing the BOM at Business Central, like here I'm adding some glue to this assembly BOM, then it's better to set the export profile to ignore such BOM items. The third option is to introduce a script that does the ignore or delete decision automatically based on customized logic. For example, known item number range or format, like here it would be trivial to detect SOLIDWORKS managed items and thus delete only those by default. CustomTools 2025 introduces one more feature to deal with these situations. Users can now override the default decision simply by right-clicking the ghost item. This is supported for assembly BOMs, production BOMs, and production BOM versions.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.